Very good morning, dear students of standard 7th. Here again I have came with the same lesson. Yesterday I have given you lesson number 4. Okay, notes of lesson number 4. You can say as assignment of lesson number 4, that is Maharashtra before the time of Shivaji Maharaj. So hope so you all have written all the notes. Now let us continue the lesson. See, now here next question you have to note it down, that is complete the following chart. ये आपको बनाना है आपके नोटबुक में. What there will be a 4 columns. In one column you have to write what it means. Okay, in next column what it means मतलब इसका मतलब क्या होता है. नेक्स्ट कॉलम में विलेज मौजा के बारे में आपको लिखना है, कस्बा के बारे में लिखना है, परगनास के बारे में लिखना है. इस तरीके से आपको 4 कॉलम बनाना है. ओके, सो इन फर्स्ट कॉलम व्हाट इट मीन्स, अ विलेज वाज आल्सो कॉल्ड मौजा. ठीक है, विलेज का क्या है, विलेज मौजा किसे कहते हैं. द विलेज वाज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ मौजा. कस्बा वाज लाइक अ बिग विलेज. It was a headquarter of a parganas. That is a table. Okay, this chart is a table of the particular villages. Pargana, many villages together form the pargana. You can say it as a definition, you can say it as a fill in the blanks, or you can even it can be given by this chart also. एग्जाम में ऐसा भी आ सकता है. अब इसका ऑफिसर, विलेज का क्या है, पाटिल कुलकर्णी. कस्बा का द शेट्स एंड महाजन. परगनास द देशमुख एंड देशपांडेज. अभी इसी विलेज, कस्बा और परगनास का एग्जाम्पल नीचे दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, विलेज का नहीं है, कस्बा और परगनास का दिया हुआ है. दैट इज इंदापुर कस्बा of Indapur Pargana, Vai कस्बा of Vai Pargana. The Parganas में the Pune Parganas, the Chakkans Pargana, the Shirwal Pargana. Okay, now question number 4. Find out and write. Okay, what first one? People from Africa who has settled along the Konkan coastline. So the answer is Siddhi. Even the answer is given here. You can write it. The author of Amrit Anubhav, that is Sant Dhaneshwar. The place where Sant Tukaram belonged to, that is Dehu near Pune. He composed Barut. Sant Eknath. He explained the importance of physical fitness. That is Sant Ramdas. Women Sant Soirabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai and Sant Janabai. The headquarters of Parganas, Kasba. Watandars of a pet, the Sheths and Mahajans. The pets be established in the name of Shivaji Maharaj, that is Shivapur. He was from Jam in Marathwada. Ramdas Swami. Explain the meaning of. You have to explain the meaning, even it can come in definition form. Okay. Badruks. Badruks is the suffix added to a name of village which indicates that the village was independent. Okay. Second point, the original town is called Badruks. एग्जाम्पल इवन ऐसा आ सकता है आपके पेपर में, द ओरिजिनल टाउन इज कॉल्ड डैश. ये पूरा नहीं आके द ओरिजिनल टाउन इज कॉल्ड डैश. यू हैव टू राइट दैट बद्रुक. एग्जाम्पल वडगांव बद्रुक्स. बालूत. सी बालूत. The share of agricultural produce paid by peasant to the artisan of their service to the villagers. The share is known as balut. Next one, watans. A plot of land. The watanders generally own the plot of land. Abhangs. It is a form of devotional poetry sung in praise of Hindu god. Dhaneshwari. It is the first book to describe the translation of Bhagavad Gita from Sanskrit to Marathi. Kasba. A kasba was like a big village. ये पहले भी था. It is usually the headquarter of the Parganas. चार्ट में भी आपको ये बताया गया था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वाई कस्बा एंड वाई परगनास वर द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ दोज परगनास. Watanders officer. Watandar officer were the link between the people and the government. Answer the following question in one sentence. What work did Dhaneshwar compose? Sant Dhaneshwar composed Bhavartha, Deepika or Dhaneshwar and Amrit Anubhav. Who were the composition of Abhangs of Sant Tukaram? The composition of Abhangs of Sant Tukaram was very pleasing and lyrics, thereby reaching the greatest poetic height. Who were the disciples of Sant Tukaram? Sant Tukaram's disciples were of different caste and creeds. Name a few associates of Sant Tukaram. The associates of Sant Tukaram include Navji Mali, Governor Shitwani, शिवा कासर, संतजी जगनाडे, महाजी पंत कुलकर्णी and Bahinabai Surkar. What was the duty of Patil in a village? The duty of the Patil was to settle the dispute in any and maintain peace. What is Baluta? The peasants gave to a share of their agriculture due to a artisan of a service is called Baluta. Understood? So this notes you have to write it down. It can come in any way. See, you have to note it down, you have to write it down. Okay, even I am dictating the sentences. If you find any problem, then you can search it in book also. Complete your work as soon as possible. Understood? So here I end with the lesson. I will come with the next chapter on a next period. Till then, complete your notebook. Have a great day.